Hello everyone, today I have another product that I'm going to unbox. This is a ceiling light that I'm going to install and I'll show you how it looks after the installation is done. So I'm going to unbox the light first. I have a pack of 6, I've taken it from Amazon. So let's see if all of them are working or not. If they are working, then we'll connect it on the ceiling and I'll show you how it looks after the installation. Okay, so this is the box that I've got. Now let's open the box and see what are the contents. You can see that we have 6 lights. Let's open one of them. Oh, they're packed together. This is the light, LED panel lights, super bright, 80% energy saving. Okay. I'll keep the other 5 aside for now. Okay, so this is the light. Now what does it say? So as you can see, it is 18 watts. Okay, and the color is not ticked. You can see it here. Okay, let's open this. So this is the thing that goes on the ceiling on which this light will be connected. So some screws. This is the actual light. This is an LED driver on which it is connected. I think it disconnects here like this. Okay, this is the actual light. Okay, it's nice. It has a texture kind of. It's not smooth, it's matte finish, and yeah, well, it has a rated voltage 175 265. Okay, so this is how it gets connected. These 2 holes goes in the ceiling, and 1 screw here and here, 1 screw here and here. And then this will not be visible, it will be connected like this. So it's looking nice. Now let's connect it and I'll show you how it looks after the connection. Okay, so now what I've done is I've taken this LED driver. Okay, and I've made a temporary connection to check if all the LED drivers are working. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see if the LED driver and the LED light is working. So that's the connection, and now let's just see if we connect the light to the LED driver, if it's working or not. Okay, so I'll just connect it there. Okay, so now let's just connect this to this. Yep, it's a very bright light, we can see. It's quite a nice light. Okay, now let's just check all the lights and then start connecting it on the ceiling, and I'll show you how it looks after the connection. Okay, so I have all these 5 lights working. Now let me just connect the lights on the ceiling and I'll show you. I'll also show you where I'm going to connect it, so just hold on a minute. Okay, so I'm going to connect it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so in this video now you can see that I've connected this one light and another light here. It's looking nice. It's giving a bright enough light, and the look is also very good.